First of all, let me thank you and thank the people of Benue for receiving me to come and talk to them. It's obvious that I'm going to run for the presidency of this country. I'm declaring for the first time in Benue State because of my special relationship with them. People have been suspected, but let it be known today and announcing it in Benue State. We have a special relationship with this particular state. But when you say, what am I going to do differently? First of all, what are the things wrong for you to talk about doing something differently? Today, you can't talk about security in this country. And you must understand that without security, you can't talk about governance. One first thing that anybody takes out of office is that you must protect life and property. If you can't protect life and property, they can't talk about the governance. So the major thing for that, our people should be alive. See what has happened in Kaduna. For the first time in the history of this country, terrorists taking over or trying to take over airport. It means we have gotten to the point where we're talking about, in the farm. It has gone beyond farm now. That it is the airport where plane may not be able to land. And if they are landing, nobody's safe. They can use software missile to shoot down the plane. It's a major thing. And what that means that security will be our priority. And how will it be our priority? How did I do in Port Harcourt? You know, before now, there used to be kidnapping on the road in Port Harcourt. This and that year, 14 people have been kidnapped in the bus and this. So what did I do? Yes, everybody had to sit down. We have service commanders. I'm in charge, as I said, as the chief security officer, assuming that I am. Look, what do we do? I need A, I need B, I need C. I have no problem. I'm going to provide A, B, C. But I will also make sure this A, B, C are provided, or I have given funds to be able to provide. Has it been provided? If it's provided, where are they? And if they are there, what are you going to do? I have to provide incentives for those who are going to work, to motivate them. Today, you see, any policeman or soldier that is killed in cause of fighting crime in River State, I always make sure that, look, they are will try to pacify the family. That is not enough. Nobody can buy life. But again, you have shown concern that, look, these are people that are fighting for us. So you must tell them that I'm there for you. And once you tell them that you're there for you, they will always do anything. I was watching an American president in Ukraine and in Poland. Now, I saw soldiers who are cutting their hairs. American president. And soldiers are cutting their hair. Nobody said, come on, will you stand up? See the president. All he does, hey man, how you doing? Yeah, guy. You cutting your hair? Yeah. Look, it gives you a sense of belonging. Not where, president is coming. Please stop cutting my hair. I mean, it is not done. So we are going to be part of this.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.